right, let's bring Dr. Sutton in here, answering your questions. A question about masks here first, Dr. Sutton. Which type of mask is the best or safest option?
Yep, so your safest option is going to use that N95 or that KN95 mask. I actually have mine here from working in the hospital as I'll be seeing patients later on today. It's important to know, however, that if you have a beard, that these are usually not appropriate because the seal can't be done in an effective way to prevent you from exposure. But sometimes, honestly, these can be relatively uncomfortable for me, so I try to opt for double masking, and then by that, I'll use a paper or a surgical mask and then cover that with a cloth mask. And I find this to be really effective and helpful, especially if I'm in situations where I'm not sure about the status of people around me or the vaccine status. So I usually use this when I'm walking around in the community, and this when I'm in an area of very high risk.
All right.
The bearded folks, though.
Yeah.
What are they supposed to do?
I see a lot of people with beards wearing masks.
I do too, and I have to stop myself from interrupting their conversation and trying to correct them. I can't grow a beard, so I just use this one very easily. But sometimes people forget that facial hair can really ruin the seal on this and make it not effective.
Oh, all right, good to know. Next question. If I go out and get the vaccine today, will it give me any protection by Christmas?
Great question. So first off, for those who are deciding to get a vaccine right now, I always welcome them with open arms, of course, while I'm covered in PPE. But I want to say that if you're going to get a vaccine, there is some evidence that after the first shot, you have some potential benefit in terms of protecting you. However, it's not full. We consider a full protection 2 weeks or 14 days after your second shot. So for those who are curious about whether or not they should get their shot, you should completely get it, but you should act at the highest level of caution, especially right now as we have this more transmissible variant. And by that I mean getting your shot, but also using masks, choosing areas of ventilation, and frequent testing.
Good advice as always, and you can submit questions to Dr. Darien Sutton on his Instagram at dr.darien.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.